Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is September 14th, 2017, and this is my second video of the day. And I'm making this video because previously I recommended buying Bitcoin at 3,620-ish, which was pretty much the bottom of this the support of this downward trend channel. And of course, right after I published my video, there was major news that came out of China saying that BTCC, which is a major exchange in China, will suspend all trading on September 30th. And of course that pretty much created a shockwave that went through the cryptocurrency markets and caused Bitcoin to break through this support temporarily. Now, it's very possible that Bitcoin will re-enter this downward trend channel, and it's actually making an attempt right now, but it's also quite possible that Bitcoin will fail to re-enter this trend channel and head lower. So it's quite possible that you could pick up some Bitcoin at 3,250 or 2,870 in the next couple days, depending on the carnage that is caused by this. There could be other Chinese exchanges that decide that they're going to close their doors as well. So depending on how much bad China news comes out is how far Bitcoin will go down. And it is actually possible for Bitcoin to go all the way down to 1,880. I don't see that happening, but I mean, people can panic sometimes when they find out that they're not going to be able to easily exchange their Bitcoin. It's entirely possible that that could happen. I don't see it as likely though. In fact, I'm still hoping that Bitcoin can find a way to get back into this downward trend channel and head higher. So anyhow, wanted to give a quick update on what was happening, and this is not really as much of a technical analysis as it was a breaking news announcement that Bitcoin in China with the regulations is getting very, very difficult. And I hope it turns out well for the people in China who want to be able to transact and be able to freely use Bitcoin. It's a shame that their government is taking this approach and pressuring the exchanges to close their doors. So if all the exchanges do end up closing their doors, it's possible that Bitcoin will have to go underground in China. And I mean, I'm sure it'll still have a lot of value, as a store of value in China, but it'll basically make it to where merchants won't be able to accept Bitcoin as payment, at least not officially, and it will act as a headwind to Bitcoin in Asia. Anyhow, I'm gonna go about my day, and at the end of the day I'll probably make one more video just looking at the daily chart to see if we did actually get a nice long tail to this candle and that Bitcoin actually did stay inside this downward trend channel. It's very possible that we're going to get a long tail just like this candle where Bitcoin shoots down and a lot of buyers step in. This time, however, I feel like it's different. I feel like Bitcoin is most likely going to head down to 2,870 if there is more negative news that comes out about Bitcoin. Anyhow, Paul Rogers out.